Good evening. I'm going to show you how to install XP for your computer. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to have your computer shut down. You want to well, right before you shut it down, sorry, you're going to put in your CD or that comes with it. You're going to close it, then you're going to shut it down, and when it starts, it should start on its own. If it doesn't, you can come over here to Start, and you can type Run, and it should get it going for you. And if not, let's see if I can get this silly thing to close down again. There we go. You're gonna browse to your CD through through My Computer and click Setup. Once you have done that, it starts into this window. It begins the setup itself. This is a rather lengthy process, at least 30 minutes. This video will not be that long. It has been edited. You will only see the parts where I am doing an action. The rest of the time I'm going to edit out because you really don't need to sit and stare at my screen while the computer does what it is trying to do. This first little bit can seem to take quite some time. It says, please wait while setup formats the partition. This is actually one of the things that happens anytime you put a new install in. If you're just updating, you're going to want to choose the update feature if it has it. Some of them do, some of them don't. We're running this as if this is a brand new computer that we're setting up, and we've never had Windows XP on our computer before. Now it's examining the disk. Again, this could take several minutes, and if you just read the screen, it tells you all the time what's happening. It says creating list of files to be copied. So it's actually looking on my hard drive, seeing what's already there, and then going back to the list on the disk, and then making a list that it can just copy straight over. So far we're at 7%, and here again is where it gets fairly lengthy. Something interesting to note is right down here, it is telling you what exactly is being copied at this moment. Right now we're doing driver.cab. Okay, must be a rather lengthy file because it's been at the 9% mark for a few minutes. There we go, DVD. Okay, now as you can see from the screen, the computer has... Okay, again, something has changed. We see the screen. Let's turn colors. And here comes the new dialogue area, a new page showing us what's going on. So far we've done the collecting information, dynamic update, preparing installation, and now it's doing the full install. Okay, this is again somewhere I told you this, this can take quite some time. 39 minutes it says. So again, I'm going to quit talking, and you'll see an edit point here. You would get this in this setup. This would be the next thing that happens. A product key is something that Windows, if you've never heard about it before, demands that you use. That's why you have to spend so much money, because the CD is actually really inexpensive. This is how they make up some of their development costs, they give you this product key and they say that's the license to use it. So for Windows XP, we're entered my product key and I'm going to click next. This is one of those start and stop things. It seems to take forever. So now it says it's continuing, and again we're going to have a quick pause here. Okay, you can see it's going through, and setting everything up. This will happen only this first time. This won't happen every time that you start the program. So again, as I told you, this first time it's going to be slower. Usually you'll see that black screen with with this Windows piece here, and with this section. Sorry, my mouse keeps doing weird things because it's trying to work. But that's what you'll see, and then it'll come right up to the desktop window. Personalized settings for Internet Explorer 6. If you were adding XP today, there's an Internet Explorer 9 that you would either see here or you would need to go in and get. Okay, another little pop-up just shows up. Windows installer preparing to install. This is normal. It's just pulling everything out and sort of shoving it in the shelves where it wants it. Remember, this program is moving into a house, so it's got to put everything where it wants it. Oh, there's our main page is starting to look up. There's our desktop. Okay, here goes our screen. We're waking up, trying to become sentient. It's trying very hard to become sentient. It says Windows is starting up. Okay, it'll pop up and give you a message, and this one's saying that my resolution is very low, and that's okay. Take a tour of Windows XP. So you got this little button right here where we can go in and we can look around at it. Okay, I'm just going to let it just work for a second, make sure it's all awake, because you can see that there's a slight flicker to the cursor. Nothing else is. Oh, there goes the little hourglass. Start. It says some items cannot be shown. Okay, that's not a big deal. It's saying that some of the items can't be shown. And all you have to do is you click all programs, and it shows up here. And that is how you install Windows XP.